Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in today's video, we're going to see about our review and preview today. So let's get into the video. All right guys, so as we can see, first we'll go with Nifty. And so Nifty has gone a very huge uptrend from 16,400, around 16,300 to almost 18,300. That is almost 2,000 points. And there was no major correction in the market as well. So now the market has hit the previous line of resistance around 18,350 range. So as you can see, this area was acting as a very strong level of resistance. And the previous and as you can see, there was a gap up, and then it was acting as a support. It broke the support, and it was acting as a resistance again. So the same level is now acting as a resistance now. But my point of view is the market is still not in a downtrend, but the thing is the trend has already been changed from an downtrend to an uptrend. So we can expect a correction. So the correction can be up to 30% to 38%. So that will be coming back to the previous line of support. So as you can see here, so these are all a strong level of supports and resistance. So we may expect a correction of 17,600 if the market is going to close. So around 18,000 will be like the benchmark here. So we will wait and see the market is able to break below 18,000 range. So if the market is able to close below 18,000, so we can expect downward momentum towards a correction of 17,600. But still the market is in buy trend. So once the market gives a correction and then it starts its momentum to a bullish move, we can expect 19,300 as our target for Nifty. Whereas in case if you're going for a correction trade, so wait for 18,000 breakout. So once the market breaks 18,000 level, we can expect 17,600. That is my suggestion. And if the market does not break 18,000 and 18,000 level stays strong, so we can expect upward movement towards the first target of 18,600 and the second target of 19,300. And we also have to keep in mind that there is a budget coming in just another 2 weeks. So just keep that in mind as well. And diversify your portfolio and have proper risk to reward management as well for your portfolios. All right, so coming to Bank Nifty. Well, so Bank Nifty is also in a good uptrend, and the market may give a correction. So we can expect a 30%, 38% retracement. That is around 37,000. So Bank Nifty can give a correction of 37,000. But the thing is, it is always better to wait and see for 1 or 2 days, since the market just was going in a sideways momentum. As you can see, for almost 6 to 7 days, it was just traveling around this area. So if you go for a lower time frame, you'll get a clear understanding. This was going as a sideways market, but yet the sideways has not been broken. So we cannot confirm the trend has been the correction has started yet. So it is always better to wait here. And once if the market changes its course and it starts to move up, then we can expect another buy trend, and for a target of 40,000 and 41,850 as the next possible resistance. So at this time, I would suggest we can just wait for another 1 or 2 days for the market to whether it is able to break and give a correction, or it is going to break on the higher side and go for a buy. So we have to wait and watch for another 1 or 2 days. All right, and coming to gold. So as you can see, gold was going in a sideways for a long term, and now the sideways has been broken, and again it has formed another sideways. So as you can see from here, so the gold was trading in a very deep range bound market, and the range was broken here. And again, the market has gone into a range bound market. So we may expect gold to come to around 1790. Yeah. So $70-$90 range, we can expect the gold to come back again. So according to me, the gold has not yet got its momentum, which it used to have. So as you can see, the range, it's just no, it's going in a range bound market. The overall the trend of gold has not yet started, so it is wise enough to hold your positions if you are in already buy trend. So it is better to wait, and once the market breaks, as you can see from here, so once the market breaks this big triangle which is going in the weekly charts, so once the market is able to break above, we may see a huge uptrend in gold in the coming days. So if you're already having gold, so you can hold on to it for another some more time. All right, so coming to crude oil. So crude oil is at a huge resistance now. So market has hit the previous high now. So my suggestion is, since it has formed a double bottom and it has gone, if the market is able to break it, it may go and reach a next level of resistance as well from here. So if you see it in the monthly chart, so exactly this will be a previous line of resistance. So as you can see, the targets for the double tops and double bottoms and the previous lines of resistance are perfectly getting matched. So we can expect crude oil to hit up to $105 to $110, and in between there is a support at $92. So once the market closes in weekly charts above $85, then we can go for a buy for a target of $92, $93 and $105. So we are going to have a huge uptrend for another $20 in crude oil. So since this is a very good trade setup, so I would suggest you wait for the weekly candle to close above $84. So that will be better for a trading. And as we can see from the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and crude oil, all these are at a very crucial resistance point. So it is better to wait and watch the market for another couple of days. Once the market breaks the previous high, and it takes a support and it starts to go for a bullish move, then it will be wiser to go and put your money into that. So that is my suggestion. Yeah, you can always do your research and take a trade on that. All right, so that is for the review and preview today. Thank you. I hope it was useful, and thank you very much for joining. Take care.